Introducing the 2020 Chevrolet Corvette. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and seat memory. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.